Hey everybody, and welcome to another HOWTECH video tutorial. In this video we're going to show you how to clear the cache on Android. So the cache basically is data stored on your phone that holds a bunch of different files, scripts, and images that your phone can use instead of re-downloading things from a certain website. So basically if you visit a website very often especially, it will download all those images and store them on your phone so it doesn't have to re-download them. So you get a minor boost to the speed when you look at a website, and you won't have to use as much of your phone plan's data when you go to that same website or social media outlet. So if your phone is running low on storage, you'll probably want to clear the cache, especially because a lot of these files and websites you go to, they become obsolete after a while. So if you go to settings down here, and we're going to scroll down to storage, we'll tap that, and right there at the second to last you see cache data. You can tap that, you don't have to wait for it to finish calculating. Then you clear it, and it'll go ahead and clear that. It's almost a whole gigabyte, and I already cleared the cache recently anyway. So the other way to do it, if you tap apps here, you can see all your different apps, and we'll go to the application manager at the top, and we have a bunch of different options. If I scroll down to Chrome and tap that, we can specifically clear the cache for a specific app. We'll just hit storage right there, and here we can clear the cache for the specific Chrome app. However, as you see, the button is grayed out because I already cleared it for all of the apps on my phone. So that's a quick and easy way to clear the cache, free up some of the data on your phone so you can use it for other things. It's especially good if you haven't cleared the cache recently because a lot of that data becomes obsolete. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.